Hi, we present and we invite you on our cruise line with good shopping facility, promenade parade and outdoor movie theater. You almost need to plan your days to make sure you don't miss anything out. Our cruise line is perfect for families with its range of available service because luxury doesn't have to mean adult only. We know the stereotype of cruise style entertainment is to be sitting around playing bingo or listening to bad cabaret, and whilst that's never true, it's especially not the case of our cruise line, as you can enjoy a vast variety of one-board activity. Their cruises are equivalent to 4 or 5-star all-inclusive holiday on land, yet for the same money you can get so much more. Thank you for watching.